Brainiac is heading for Gotham, Batman.
Right.
This one's mine. And this one. Oh, and this one.
Flash, you probably want to put those back.
Okay. Can I have your belt?
Where are all the poor people?
They're probably hiding inside, afraid we're gonna stomp on them.
Oh, I love you guys!
Look, it's Brainiac.
It's a giant skull! Ah!
I cannot get away from them. Attack, my minions! Attack!
You're, not gonna turn evil on me, right, Luthor?
Of course not. How could I not help someone who's been filled with so much fear?
Okay. In that case, help me stop Brainiac. But please?
So much debris. I wouldn't want it lying around in my city. We should clean it up.
Yeah, we could make something to fight Brainiac, but I'm not sure. Don't listen to me. That was louder than I thought it was gonna be.
We should throw this at Brainiac's ship. But I wouldn't like that if it happened to me.
We've got to throw it to stop Brainiac, but what if I miss? We got him! Does he look mad at us?
Oh, I do hope he's all right. Let's send him a present to say we're sorry.
I do love a good carnival. The games, the rides, oh, there's so much fun! We'll meet again. Oh, why do I suddenly love the name Ferris?
I wanted a Ferris wheel, but I'll build something even better.
Let's give Brainiac a closer look at our lovely roller coaster.
You mean my roller coaster? Mine, mine, mine.
How lovely! The fairground is saved! At least, what's left of it?
How come you got to press the button to stop Brainiac? I wanted to press it.
Grundy, hope this all work out for best.
Stop being so optimistic, Grundy. Scrapping my bad girl image.
Cheetah, we need Grundy's optimism. Now more than ever. I bet there's something in those botanical gardens we can use.
Right. Just need to get that giant plant out of the way. Let's find the roots.
Solomon Grundy hopes that route not far away.
Thank goodness you came by. This situation is yours.
Ready for another crime fighting workout?
I'm Bad Might.
Oh, I almost scared myself on that one.
We did it! The plant's retracting!
Grundy, can you find anything to use against Brainiac?
Solomon Grundy hopes so.
Wow, that's just what we need. Guess all that hoping worked, Grundy.
I call it luck.
You haven't noticed any...
You can't escape me!
Oh man, I would love to get that ship.
Come on out, Brainiac!
There's so many of them! More to love!
I'll take them all on!
I'll save a few for me.
It's the real Brainiac!
He's getting away!
Gotham will soon be just another tiny city to add to my collection from other worlds.
We need to act quickly.
Quickly? That's my specialty. Mine! No one else can act quickly except for me! Where's that reward?
Don't plan any parties just yet, Flash.
Firing a giant laser. It's just so aggravating.
Wonder Woman, your bracelets could come in handy here.
My turn? It's all about me now?
Good work, Flash.
Thanks. I used the bricks from Flash Tower.
You mean Wayne Tower.
No, pretty sure it's called Flash Tower because it's mine.
Green Lantern. He's alive. How wonderful!
I know! I love that he isn't dead! How about a hug?
I don't know. What if he's a zombie?
Ugh, and I thought he was dead.
But it all work out in end.
What is going on with everybody? Long story. Let's get back to the Watchtower.
What about Brainiac?
He'll be fine. Watch where you're walking. There's 22 million people in these.
Brainiac channeled our power rings through some kind of crystal.
Wait! I have a piece of it!
That looks sharp.
It's gonna be too small to do any good.
Take it easy, lady.
Be a lot easier if they didn't give into emotions, huh, Robin?
Pretty sure grumpiness is an emotion.
If we had a full-size crystal and the power of the lanterns, we could restore the Earth.
I can use the crystals at my Fortress of Solitude to try to create a duplicate.
Love him!
We still need the power of the other rings. Any idea where the other lanterns are?
The explosion sent me back to Oa, home of the source of my power. I'm guessing they were thrown back to the source planets of their power rings, too.
Blue, Indigo, and Violet shouldn't be any trouble.
How are you gonna get villains like Sinestro, Atrocitus, and Larfleeze to help?
Maybe we don't need to ask. If we could get a hold of their power batteries, the energy contained within should be enough.
How would we even get close to them?
I'm not sure this worked out right.
I don't think so either. This outfit makes my hips look big.
I'm Batman.
Green Lantern will take you as our prisoner, trading you to your enemies. Once we're close enough, we'll create a distraction so you can grab the power back.
Grundy come to help!
He's pretty strong.
And smart, also!
We're bringing him.
Good luck!
I hope they'll be okay.
She better not mess up my outfit.
I love my new one. I'm Batman.
So, probably best if you all come with me to the fortress.